Sir, you were charged with terroristic threat. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay. Good morning, Sean.
Good morning, Bill. On March 10th, officer in Harris County dispatched a disturbance with a weapon call. Any witness on scene advised that they were working construction on a ditch when the defendant walked out of a house and approached him carrying a black baseball bat and told the complainant, quote, "Grab your shit and get out of here," and then raised his bat as if he were about to strike him. Complainant advised that he was in fear of bodily injury. Defendant advised officers first that he went out to ask them for a cigarette and then changed his statement to say that he was hitting baseballs and lost one of them.
So what was the threat?
He walked up with a baseball bat, acted like he was gonna hit him, said, "Get your shit and get out of here."
Is it his house?
I don't know, Judge. From the dims, that's all we have. The defendant walked out approximately 200 feet west of where the complainant and his crew were working on construction.
So he's a construction worker.
Yes, Judge. The complainant told the defendant they could not leave because they were contracted to do work on the ditch area by the road.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to have any contact with this witness whatsoever. Stop, just don't. You have the right to remain silent. I've got a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to sit there and try to prove your guilt. So it's best not to say anything. You're also on bond for another case, so you need to be extremely careful, Mr. Barrera. As a condition of your bond, just do not have contact with this person. You're not to be in possession of any weapons as well. You understand? We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go sign a reset. We'll have you take a seat in the juror box. I'm going to get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go, sir. All right? Come on. Just no contact and no weapons.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 9th, officer in Harris County observed a motor vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed on I-59. The motor vehicle had a license plate cover and was operating with only one license plate and was verified to be going 87 in a 65-mile-an-hour zone. Officer conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle. Officer detected an odor of marijuana. A probable cause search found a Glock pistol in the driver's side door along with a small green baggie of marijuana.
Wait, does he have a license to drive?
I will write it down, Judge.
Mr. Kuma, all right, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you do, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? How old are you, sir? How do you support yourself? Okay. What kind of income do you make monthly? Okay, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go to sign a reset. We'll have you take your seat in the juror box. I'm going to get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Okay? When you come back, please have a lawyer.
Magneto. Morning, sir.
You said Lapido? Sir, you were charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 9th, Officer in Harris County on patrol observed the defendant loitering at 2111 Fannin Street, a Sunoco gas station that had signs stating no loitering and no trespass. While attempting to approach the defendant quickly walked away and began jaywalking, impeding oncoming traffic. At which point officers attempted to detain the defendant. However, the defendant did not comply with the verbal commands to stop and began evading on foot for about 1,000 feet. At which point the defendant was successfully detained. A clear baggie of synthetic cannabinoids was found in the front sweater pocket.
What's he doing wrong?
Your Honor,
Standing while blind?
I'm going to stand on the dims here.
No. I'm gonna find no probable cause to go forward with your case, all right? Just be careful, man. Life's too short, all right? Please.
Bottom of 16, Judge Ospina. Ospina?
All right, good morning, sir. Do you speak English?
Sorry, Judge.
Ok, toma asiento, por favor. Pero no te vas.
Bottom of 21, Sandoval. Sandoval?
Did you get, Deputy Williams, did you get that fugitive case back there today? Remember? He's back there? Great. All right, good morning, Mr. Sandoval.
Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Or wait, is this Ospina or Sandoval?
Sandoval.
You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
On March 10th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed a vehicle with no front license plate and expired registration. A traffic stop was conducted and defendant was the passenger in the vehicle. Officer observed marijuana in plain view in the center console and saw defendant pick it up and wrap it up in a napkin he was holding in his other hand. Both defendant and the driver were detained. Defendant and the driver advised the vehicle belonged to defendant and was registered to his wife. A search of the vehicle was conducted. An officer found a green leafy substance in the center console and a firearm in the glove compartment in front of the passenger seat within reach of where defendant was sitting.
So you said the PC was the plain view, right? Is that what you
Yes.
said? Okay. Mr. Sandoval, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to be in possession of any weapons. If you violate this and I find that you have a weapon, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'll have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go.
It is pre-trial bond.
Yeah, just no weapons, please. And oh, does he have a license to drive?
I'm running it right now.
Please. Yeah, let's do
I'll
it.
say it. Your Honor, his license is not eligible.
Okay. So also no driving in that, please. And then when he comes to sign up, we'll have him sign this as well. You are not allowed to drive. You are not allowed to drive. You don't have a license. You're signing a promise with me, an affidavit that you're not going to drive. You understand? Get a license and insurance. Stop.
There's no weapons and no driving.
Correct. And then this is Ospina, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On March 10th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer responded to a code 1 call. Complainant stated she was in a dating relationship with the defendant for 2 years. Complainant stated one of their mutual friends offered to have sexual intercourse for helping her with her immigration status. Defendant agreed because of being jealous and aggressive because he believed complainant was sleeping with their friends. Defendant started banging on her door. When she answered the door, defendant grabbed her by the hair and was yanking her left and right. Defendant also damaged the driver's side mirror of her vehicle. The cost to repair it is $300. Complainant stated she felt pain when defendant grabbed her by the hair. Complainant 2, the younger brother of complainant, heard the commotion between complainant and defendant. Complainant 2 left the bedroom to defend his sister because it was not the first time defendant was aggressive towards his sister. Complainant 2 and defendant got into a verbal altercation before they started fighting and punching each other in the face.
Mr. Ospina, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. You are also not to be in possession of any weapons. You are not allowed to go where she lives or where she works, anywhere. If you violate this condition, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over, and then you get shipped off to immigration. You'll probably be sitting there a good 9 months. Do you understand me? There is a protective order that's been issued and you need to get to know it. If you violate the protective order, the state can and probably will file additional charges against you. A violation of a protective order is one of the worst cases you can pick up. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you sign a reset, and then I will have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. No contact and no weapons, please.
No contact with both complainants?
Just the one he's charged with.
You are just this one, just which one?
Oh, the bond condition that you're signing now is you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. That is a Miss Ortega Martinez. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care that your clothes are over there. If you go over there, you are in violation of this and they can file additional charges against you. I'm going to protect my city at all costs. I don't care who you are. You violate these conditions, things will go sideways extremely quick. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Come on. Thank you. Yeah, just, yeah. I don't think I had anything for you today.
There were 2 arraignments that I did have questions on.
Which, just last names.
Barrera and Sanchez.
So both of those are states conditions. And what was the second one? Yeah, both of those are state conditions, so you don't need to do anything.
They already had pre-trial conditions for the magistrate.
What were they?
For Barrera, he has to get a RF device that monitors curfew. And then he also has like a no contact and address restriction, I believe random testing. And
Is
then
that part of the felony case as well?
I do not know if it's on the phone. I think it's for Barrera. You can take it.
Because dude's got a stalking case, so I don't know if those are possible conditions that are coupled with the stalking. If on both of those, if any of those are connected to the felony cases, keep them. If not, then we don't need them.
I have the for Barrera. There's a GPS monitor in his felony.
Okay, so just leave it on then. Yeah.
Well, he has a GPS and he has a felony, but he has a RF device in the misdemeanor. So the RF device only monitors the curfew, not the location. Did you want to change it?
What kind of curfew did they give him?
They gave him.
He doesn't have a curfew on the stalking?
He has a 9 p.m. to 5 a.m.
On stalking?
Yes.
So just mirror the felony condition then.
And then, Sandoval is from the yes.
Does he have, because he's got an open felony as well. Does he have felony conditions on
I
both?
can take a look at that. No, the felony requires have GPS and the misdemeanor doesn't have a GPS and it does have random testing.
Okay, I think the testing's a good idea, but we'll take the other one off.
Oh, I think. Which one? Yes. Otherwise, it's being right.
No, I think they don't need days in that. I think so.
Fine.
States. Have you? Yeah, I think
Hey, come on up. What's up?
So we are officially in trial. They're doing more diary yesterday. They finished up. They started open this morning.
Okay.
I may cruise the trial tonight, so. Should we just get a date?
Yeah, just 30 days.
Okay, 30 days?
Yeah.
Okay, let's be.
Yep. Yeesh. Katie, are you here for Jamie?
Jamie said your city does, and Katie's out as well.
Okay, hold on a second, because do you know Joe Hernandez? Joe Hernandez, the defense lawyer.
That's familiar.
He's requesting a bond on someone.
Okay.
It's, let me see, it's a.
Yes.
Alvarez. I know. Have you talked to Keely yet?
No, there's, I was just.
He
going-
came in on it yesterday,
Okay.
said he was gonna represent him. He hasn't filed an attorney of record, and I told him that you guys usually got here around 10:30. I just texted him, so hope he'll pop in here momentarily. So
Okay.
please don't go far so we can kind of.
Yeah.
I believe it's officer entrance. It's good for it. You think it's something. You won't find it. Yeah. And what more to do for
Well, just last name.
John,
Okay,
Kaha.
okay.
So this is one that's set on the 31st of March, and my notes just say that we were supposed to planning today and talk about it with you. I'm assuming this
Separate trial the 31st?
This trial is set for the 31st.
Okay.
So this.
Any issues you got with the case?
No, nothing right now, other than we are set in court 10 as well.
You're set in every court every day, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Right.
I
We'll just keep you and then we'll see,
Okay.
you know, and then we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
Just be ready though.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good.
Sure, of course.
Thanks.
Yeah. I got it. That's true. Good. All right. I didn't know that. Make sure that. Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey.
I'm here every day, it feels like.
It's okay.
It's the same gentleman, Mr. Cornett. You had wanted us to verify, or you wanted pre-trial services to verify employment based on the letter that I gave them. And then there were, I guess, no notes written down about what exactly the amended conditions would be. So I wanted to make sure that I had understood the court correctly.
So what it is I never want to prevent someone from working,
Right.
but I want to know that they're actually working. So what we do in this case is we verify that he's got a job there. And then we need to know how far it is from his house to the job site. And then from the job site, he goes home. So he cannot go to Burger King. He cannot go to 7-Eleven. He can't go to a bar, a nightclub. He goes to work and then back home. That's it. So I want to minimize, and it's only for those actual days. It's not for every single day of the week. It's, I think it was like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
That's
or
correct.
something like that. Okay,
And we would
That's
carve
it.
out the exception, because he does have a curfew and a GPS, and so we
Yeah.
would carve out the exception in both of those. To
sure.
make sure he's not getting in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
And then the amended orders,
With the signature.
with.
Yeah. Yeah,
okay,
of course.
perfect. Thank you, Jen. I
Yes, ma'am.
appreciate it.
Of course. Hey.
Yes, good morning.
Hey, Manny, what's up, man?
Good, how you doing?
What's up?
I'm here.
Just the last name.
Yes, Isasi, oh, Rosales.
Okay,
So he has two cases, same transaction over the state. I think we're requesting.
it's not old though. I don't care. Whatever you want.
Okay, well, Your Honor, I'm here because he has a GPS monitor. He's had it, I think, since the case.
Let me see.
Had issues getting employment. His father has a job for him, but it's in Alabama. He doesn't have any restrictions besides the GPS. Essentially, he'll be working at a refinery, but just doing entry level on cleaning the 18-wheelers and helping deliver parts or.
Why is it coming up as Mills? 259-3613, right? Or 3616.
259.
I got it. I got it. I got it. What do you think?
My issue is I don't want him to. Not cover if he, guessing.
No, he's got to understand that if he takes off, he becomes a fugitive, and then he'll sit in jail for months waiting just to get extradited back to Houston.
He would move.
Well, so.
No, he's not going to move. I mean, he's saying he's going to work.
Right, so essentially, he's been trying to get jobs here, but without GPS, he's not gonna come up. So his family, his mother is upset that he's not working or making money right now. Essentially, he's living with his aunt, not doing anything. So she wants him to work. His dad says, I have a job for you in Alabama.
Okay.
Um,
All right. Just, if there's an issue, then, we'll take the appropriate action. All right, we'll take it off.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Just let her know and then we'll waive the signature as well.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. That's true.
Ms. Hudson. Hey, just last name, please.
Romero.
Okay,
Just letting you know, that one, she entered into PTI today.
great.
It's for, let's see, it's 16 people. She already signed the contracts and then into the state. Do you want the addition?
Hmm?
Do you want the additions or that's all it is?
No, I mean, no, I'm good.
Next one is Thompson.
Okay,
We have a plea for him.
say it again.
We have a plea for him.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Thompson, do you have two, please?
Yes, sir.
Bring them both up.
That's 4 cases. With them getting this. It's
Okay, yep, one plea or,
one person.
got it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Thompson. So you're charged with a total of, is it 4 cases, correct? And 2 of them are getting dismissed in exchange for your plea on the other 2. You need to understand that these 2 charges will go on your record. They will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. Not only that, if you pick up a successive violation of a protective order within a year, it's a 3rd-degree felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept these agreements, you are stuck with us until this, well, you're stuck with this forever. You can never change it. They will go on your record. You still want to do this.
Yes, sir.
So you're charged with 2 cases. The 2 that you're pleading on, one is a violation of protective order, the other is an evading arrest. The evading arrest is also enhanceable. What that means is that if you ever run from the cops again, next time it's a felony offense, years instead of days. You understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to both of those cases? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. And then the other 2 cases will be dismissed. All right? Yeah.
Yes, I will. This is the quality of the first board of elections. So the jury stop there before you.
All right.
Trying to call the volunteer.
All right, so you go to the first floor?
First board of elections.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. After that is.
You made it.
Judge, can you hear me?
I got you loud and clear.
Judge, unfortunately, I found out late yesterday afternoon that my client has a federal warrant out of Wisconsin. And so I spoke to him, and the end result is we're not going to proceed on a bond. We'll just wait till the feds pick him up, which they probably will within the next 48 hours.
Did you know about this?
I did not know about it.
Oh, I'm talking the state.
Oh,
Whether
I'm
the
sorry.
whether the state knew. Did you know about this?
Sure, let me try to pull it up. I mean, I'm only seeing the warrants out of King County, Illinois, Your Honor. So let me see, I'm
Huh.
not paying for the feds.
To be brutally honest, Your Honor,
Yeah. Are you able to post a bond in the federal case or no?
no,
No.
not at all. But
I
to
don't
be
know how.
brutally honest, he'd rather go with on the Fed side till they could throw in everything from the states, especially the case in here in the 263rd. Wants the feds to pick him up.
Okay.
So, if I may, let me. I'm trying to see if I have it. Yes, I do. Is the state by chance listening?
Yeah, they're right here.
Yes,
Okay, maybe they want to write this down. This is in the United States District Court of the Eastern District of Wisconsin. Case
Of
number,
what? Eastern District of what?
Wisconsin.
Oh, Wisconsin.
Case number is 24-CR-027. He is one among 7 other co-defendants. And what I'm reading is the indictment. I'm reading it from the indictment. So perhaps someone from the district attorney's office might want to call the U.S. attorney's office and tell them they have somebody in custody. That way they can proceed to pick him up.
So I don't know how the feds work, if they'll still pick him up, even though he's got the case upstairs in the 263rd. Will they wait for that to finish or they don't care?
Oh, no. They don't care. They'll
Is
pick him up.
this is peanuts or what?
Immediately. This is peanuts to them.
Okay.
Especially since he's absconded since 2023.
Did he waive?
Yes, Judge, he wait, so if he wants to keep the waiver, then we'll just be resetting it to track locals because he has not made bond on his forgery case.
Okay, I think that's what he said. He'll just keep the
Yeah.
waiver.
So
So,
it's fine, but you need to sign on, Joe, though, because right now there's a MAC appointed attorney on here.
yeah, what's your spin, Joe?
595-175-00.
Okay, I need to attach you to this case. That's why.
Yeah. Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, Judge. It will be reset then.
Yeah, I guess we'll here, the way it works, we'll just reset it for after the local and we'll just kind of keep track of it. I presumably what'll happen is when the feds do end up picking him up, Joe, this will end up getting dismissed, you know?
Right. And I'll probably, if that happens, I will find out. His family will call me or he'll call me. And I will certainly email the state and tell them he's no
Okay.
longer in Harris County Jail.
So for now, we'll just put him on for they're upstairs, it's 416. So you want to do 417, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All
Thank
right,
you.
my friend.
Thank you so much.
Take care,
Sorry
bud.
for my tardiness.
Hey, we're happy you made it. Really, happy you made it.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Okay.
brother. Talk to you
Bye-bye.
soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey, ready?
I want to know, are we still going on Mr. Barretos?
I don't have a court reporter.
Okay.
Ramona's out sick.
Okay.
And I haven't even seen JP. Have you seen him?
No, I haven't seen John Paul.
You did? Did you let him know that she's out sick? We can't go anyways. I don't have a reporter. So, pick a day later this week and whatever you want. Doesn't matter to me.
That sounds good.
Hey,
Mr. Michael Washington, he was accepted for PTI.
Washington is last name?
Yes.
Okay,
He's gonna, do the typical 50 minutes today. And then,
great. So we'll set you about 2 weeks. Yeah.
and then the last one is, Williams, Frontier Williams.
Okay,
For him, everything is done, he's already the DAP, he has some advice, the only issue is, he sent us the application, my office just.
I'm rolling it day for day. It's 254 days old. We'll roll till tomorrow and then he's gonna have to keep coming every day until it gets done. Sorry. So we'll roll it again. Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.
It's all.
Oh, Richardson?
I don't really know.
Oh, their attorney is weird. I see that they have an attorney. Can I speak to you when everything's up on the letters? Okay, so they can come up with like 5 minutes to then. Sorry, I know that's why it's like, no, they just bought from the collections department, I guess, Ms. Richardson, she's one of her clients, she's asking about fees and about her attorney. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Maybe.
Yes.
But you don't. One thing that he didn't say something. Yeah, I just looking, I want I just.
Maybe because.
Thank you, sir.
No, it's best.
Yeah. Don't matter.
No, they said she's going to, yeah, I'm going to get that to
Most times it's. Like, look at. Just pay your math. That's the thing.
Where's my? Where's my?
You got another confused you later. Yes, all the instructions that I typed up.
Okay.
Yeah, they
Yeah, I know.
I reminded them. You know, we also have stages for the. So I don't think we're talking to the judge about. Or saying, well, we're going to. That's something. So going for states, he said, yeah, okay. Let me move back. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it wants. Unless you're in here, so it's not, you could choose on the, it's on the, you want to keep out, but. But I got some sense. But if you want to, it's that one speed. Okay, yeah. He's on the competition. Puma. Oh. So. Mr. Kumar, I'm gonna give you, your state bond. But we'll have you sign them first, whenever you're ready, we'll sign them. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and say about three, so you can have a copy of them, and then this regulation next week. So just make sure you go on to it, or you. So you just make sure you can hear, it's not right. Make sure you review them, you're pretty good, okay? Mr. Ospina? Bueno, señora Ospina. Ok, voy a pasar a firmar los documentos de su fianza aquí. Ok, gracias. Se los voy a escribir para que tengan la copia. Usted va a contratar su propio abogado, ¿verdad? Va a contratar su propio abogado. ¿Y él tiene uno? No. Entonces sí lo va a contratar. Pero él está en inglés, por eso le pregunto. Porque cuando no lo pierda, así para que el abogado le va a llegar a mí, son las condiciones de opinión. No puede hacer durante el día, durante el caso. Piensen hacer su propio, hacer sus, la próxima fecha de la en nuestra oficina de español. Y tiene que venir, ¿ok? Va a ser el 20. Que no pierda este papel y no pierda el Sí, la cosa es que usted no quiere tener ninguna de las fechas que le digan a la corte, pero si no viene, entonces van a sacar una orden, pero nada más venga, le explica al juez preocupaciones y nada más le pueden dar un abogado. Es mi
Yes. I'm cheap, like.
Yeah, that's okay. They got it. So they have the application and then it goes back and goes.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Wait, see. Whatever happens, I call you.
There's so many. Thank you. Is it all?
Yeah, nothing that's needed, and thank you. All right, Mr. What do you pronounce it? Lurch, Mr. Lurchboy, and Mr. Ryan, concerned, be sworn with all of the information and self, Mr. Franklin, and all the images provided by the. Okay, that's all I need, sir. Vacation.
Cut the one at a time.
Yeah. I know.
We're supposed to hear you. Yeah. But I don't know. Right now, it doesn't have any.
Yeah, last one. Told my first day.
Oh, no. They were already. I was seeing that I set it out and try to draw the.
Cheap.
So the main next one's fun. Who's good? We should explain.
I heard that he was for. She's our.
Yeah, it is. She's great.
Going to March 27th. Way to but I'll just do I'm fired. Yeah.
When you do it.
Okay, thank you. Are you starting your first put out? Or he said whatever day ready. I don't know.
He didn't mention this meeting, which was like great for either of us. We were not just.
So.
I was concerned.
Monday.
It's
It's not very early. I don't do that. Okay, if you guys can go to party.
She might have
Yeah.
That's for the problem. That's what I had to do this on my recommendation.
So they're doing.
He was in a busy situation.
And I'll so that's like a full minute. The trans.
Yes.
Yeah.
Besides, you can see.
Yeah.
Everything else that we. It's really the probation.
That's probably funny, to be honest with you. You are now.
Okay, okay.
Oh, no. Okay. Oh, I haven't ever done another model. Here's the one. Good morning. Yes, you said to. Okay.
Sure.
Anyways. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no worries. Is it something we have to hold? Yeah. I forgot to take it out. It's already signed? It's already signed. Okay.
This was.
I go with my. Yes, I received like 4 days.
No, no, you should be. I just want to make it. I'm on this here, on the stuff anyway. Okay, good, good. Should you get? Got it? Question later. Oh, no, yeah, oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're back.
Oh, they did? Okay, I was. That's how we're about Tom. He got confused what day he was supposed to be here, so this morning I was talking, to like, no, we got in the courthouse.
That's what it looks for me.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, because you'll be okay. Okay, thank you very much.
I kind of figured too. I thought that there was no this. I was in every single time he was in every single thing. So. No worries. Oh, you didn't? I sure did this morning.
Sorry. Still at the end of all words.
You are good. Oh, okay, so you were in. Okay, all right.
That was an elderly. But we're, one year, we never. And you grow.
They're like, oh, you're so worried. Huh? I can do one thing. And it'll be required.
Okay.
Yes, this will be correct. I think too.
Done by April. And a pinch will be required.
Yeah, okay, if she didn't. Okay. They wanted to know why I didn't have no green on the same time. I told him my.
Right?
You're my green. You're my green.
Yes, I see.
Hi, Trey.
Hey, Judge, Coach.
Happy Tuesday.
Tuesday, yes, it is.
How goes it? Is this our better young gentleman?
Yes, it is. To be honest. So, right now, I'm just gonna get Richie to see if he can score a bond reduction on his aggravated robbery, they do have $25,000 bond. So we are at, I believe, 250,000. Could we knock him down?
What do you think?
I got a cost.
I'm so sorry.
It said the last name is,
Robinson,
yeah.
195-4648.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
No worries, I just, it's my fault.
What do you think?
He proposed the release of the bond, he picked up Niagara Salt bond for 2 weeks. For class.
The ag rob? I don't know. What's reasonable?
To $5,000.
To what?
$5,000.
They were lower before he picked up the ag rob,
Were they?
or
They were.
probably right at.
He are.
I mean, it's,
Well, this would be sure, it's different when it's someone's own money. I do know, I mean, he's still sitting in $25,000 bond. I know that after talking to his family, it's even something that they probably not gonna be able to make
on the, just the 25,000.
on just 25,000, because if they would have, she said they would have already done it.
I guess I'll match the felony bond. I'll do 25,003.
Need to,
No, he's shown over and over that he scares me.
and there's two
You know?
cases, so.
He's two cases with us.
On each one.
Yeah, on each. Yeah. Each 25 and 3. Yeah, but
Okay.
how is he?
Thank you.
How is he?
He's okay. He's
Are there are 3 other co-defendants, right?
They say there's an alleged 3, but I skimmed the reports and there's like 6,
Okay.
3 to 6.
If he does bond out, we need to have strict conditions. I mean,
Okay.
like, I already had him on a curfew now. This was alleged like at 4 o'clock, right? Or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the aggro, right,
But it
Sean? So, I
It was
mean,
before, this allegedly occurred before we had them.
do you know what if any conditions they put on them upstairs? As far as, let's see.
They don't have available conditions, they just have the general, right.
They didn't put any conditions?
I know, I'm
What?
looking at this and magistrate requested a $50,000. Public defender requested 25,000, and then I just don't have.
Dude,
I don't have any notes on that because
no conditions have been filed.
It looks like the magistrate said the 25,000, and then,
Did the match put any conditions on it?
and
What?
maybe it's just not uploaded. I mean, I find it odd, but
Veronica, hey, the last name, he's in custody now, is Robinson. Did the felony court put any conditions on him? Can you check? Because I don't see anything listed. Maybe you have more access. I don't know.
so here's my reason why I think they didn't put conditions is because I've been tracking it daily. And when they appointed him counsel, he had not gone up to felony court. It was an odd thing.
So their
So a
lawyer
week
has
ago,
been up
he didn't
there
go to felony court, they just appointed him an attorney.
and he's not been to court at all
That's my understanding.
because he's reset to May.
May. Unless I'm missing something and they just like but he's in jail, so I don't see how they would bring him up without being on docket, so I'm not sure.
I still states motion for bond conditions on March.
Right, I see,
Yeah,
I
so
see
that's
the
what it
file,
is.
but nothing's
That's
signed.
fine.
We just,
Right.
But that's the PC court. That was at PC court, actually, so I'm not sure.
okay,
I don't see any notes in the system, I don't see anything in felony court, I don't see the misdemeanor conditions. I can send a message up to the jail.
no, don't. We don't want to mess with him. So I would say just if he does bond out,
He just hasn't, I really think he doesn't have conditions there, I think he hasn't been to them.
okay, home confinement.
Okay.
And GPS prior to release, home confinement, no weapons. I guess that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
And then no drugs, no alcohol, obviously. Yeah, so I'll reduce it to the same, the 25,003 on both.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah, absolutely, of course.
Do you want to keep the prior condition?
No, just home confinement. Phil,
Yes, sir.
Hey, bud, what's up?
Hey, I'm back again on Eduardo Guerrero. I know I saw you yesterday and I forgot to approach you about
Yeah,
this
we put
case
it
because I
on
was
for
so concerned
today.
about the
What do
other
you
one.
want to do
Yes,
with
sir.
that?
Well, we're still waiting to find out what the state says about his PTI application. We had originally just submitted the mitigation packet and then we didn't realize that the state had moved to their whole, online
You have
application system. So we
Guerrero.
submitted the online application. We're just waiting on chief to say yay or nay.
So I've got a note from Bernadette, PTI was denied as of yesterday.
Okay, that's news to us. So I'll need to talk with the client and see whether he
Yeah,
wants
well,
to take the last best offer
so I'll
or set it for
set you
trial.
off a week, okay? And then just, see what the state has to offer, and then in a week, just let us know what you want to do.
Okay, and depending on what he says, can I communicate with the court and maybe get pushed back? Because he's been carried day for day for the last couple of weeks. Not every day, obviously, but he's missed enough work that it's beginning to be a problem for him. So if we can reach a deal, can I schedule it off for a plea setting in a month or so? And if it's a
No, I
trial,
mean,
can we?
you're already at 200 days, Philip. I mean, I'll give you 2 weeks, okay?
Okay.
But I'm
Okay.
not doing, because then you're at 230 days, and then we're gonna need, no. I'll give you 2 weeks, but at that point, we need to know what you guys want to do. You guys gotta accept it, or, if you're going to appeal this thing, you need to get it done now. But
Sure.
by 2 weeks, let us know what you want to do, please,
Sure.
okay?
Yeah. I do understand, Judge. Just trying to make sure the client doesn't lose his job. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, man.
All right. Thank you.
Hold on, let me get your date.
Okay.
How's the 31st?
Let me see. Um,
Or any day that week, I don't care. Any day but Friday.
okay. Let's see. That's really kind of the only day. Because well, so I'm set for a trial that's not going in Brazoria. There's probably gonna be a plea in Brazoria on Monday. Tuesday, I'm in Galveston in the morning, Denton in the afternoon, which I don't know how that's gonna work. Wednesday, my son has a doctor's appointment in the morning. That's gonna probably make it hard for me to get back in time for docket. Thursday is my anniversary. I always try to take off my anniversary.
Then I'll put you
and
on Friday then.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I do have Friday open. Thank you.
Just plea or trial on that day, all right?
You got it.
So 3-3. Sorry, 4-3.
All right.
April 3rd is Good Friday.
April 3rd is Good Friday, so it's got to be another day, man.
Okay, let's see. Let me delete that. If we can go into the next week, the 7th.
I mean, that's the problem is we've kept doing that, man.
Let's see. The week before is the week of the 23rd. That's next week. I'm preferentially set in Brazos County next week on Monday, so there's a good chance that I'm not going to be available at all next week, just because I'll be in trial on an ag kidnapping sexual assault case.
What day do you want?
I can do the 7th.
Okay, Philip.
Thank you. I appreciate you
But I'm not
accommodating
giving
me.
you any more resets after that time. That's
Understood.
it. It
All right.
doesn't matter what it is. It's plea or trial on that day.
You got it.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey.
And this about dates and wanted to see if next Thursday would work.
Sure, of course. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
The only thing is we need to just make sure that Ramon is going to be here on that day, because I don't know. But assuming she is, then yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Hey, Mr. Haggard, how are you, man?
Hi, good morning, Judge. How are you? Doing fine.
What's up with you?
Judge, I have a fella, he's got a DWI, first DWI, blood test, no accident, named David Safari, and the case number is 2610423.
Two
And
2610423.
yes, sir, 2610423. David Safari. Okay, so he is due to come in this Friday on the preliminary initial docket. And his son is getting married in Atlanta, Georgia. And they plan on driving, takes 2 days to drive there. And could we reset the case till Wednesday? He would be back on Wednesday.
My only problem is that he's probably has bond conditions that he's not allowed to consume alcohol.
Yes,
So
sir.
he needs to understand that even though it's his marriage or the marriage, he's not allowed to consume alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Can he come in earlier?
Well, Judge, they're
Come in tomorrow?
they're planning on driving this afternoon to begin the drive to go there, because it takes several days to drive. They're driving rather than flying. The family is. They're going together, and his daughter is very close to him. His daughter is very close.
Just remember, please advise him and that, he's going to get tested. If he tests positive for anything, it's not going to go well for him, okay?
Yes, sir. And I mean, he could come in as early as Tuesday if they kind of rush to get back. So Tuesday.
I don't care, Carl. It's up to you, but just he's
Wednesday.
under conditions. So if he
Yes,
goes
sir.
to the thing and he's drinking,
Yes, sir.
he's going back to jail. He needs to know that.
Yes, sir.
So you need to
Absolutely,
advise him,
Judge.
okay?
He'll be fine, Judge. I'll make that known to his daughter and his family. And we can test him when he comes in on Wednesday.
Okay. All right, Carl. We'll put it in the reset for you. Okay.
Great. Thank
see you
you very
Wednesday.
much, Judge. Thank you.
Got
See
it,
you
man.
then, Judge. You have a great weekend.
You too. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hi. What's your cost number?
It is 2609414.
Okay.
You issued a warrant on this case, but I just wanted to let you know, I received an update from the Harris Center regarding him. So he ended up having to be transferred from NPC to the Houston Behavioral on 314 for long-term care due to psychiatric needs.
Do you need me to recall it?
No, I still want you to leave it in.
Okay.
Because of the transfer, the defendant is now no longer under the Harris Center's jurisdiction. So they're not going to be able to get updates because of the system. And because of that, we're going to essentially lose oversight of him. So we're not going to know what happens to him afterwards because behavioral isn't going to be able to update us.
Why not?
So I guess from what THC was telling us is because they don't link their systems. So they're not going to be able, I guess, to let him, I don't know if it's because of HIPAA or whatnot, but they're not going to be able to tell them when he's released what happens with that, if he is. And I don't know what quote unquote long-term looks like. I don't know if that's gonna be a month, 2 months. I don't know what that's gonna look like. So that's why I kind of want to keep the warrant, because if he does get out, I don't know if he's gonna have transportation, what that's gonna look like. I don't know if he's gonna get on the metro somewhere. I have no idea.
So let's play it through. Let's assume he does get popped on it, because eventually you just can't run forever, right?
Right.
You're gonna get it. We're gonna come back. Are we gonna do the same thing in hopes that it works again?
Well, my thing is that if he does get popped on it, at least he'll be in custody, and then we can take care of his case from there. The only reason at the time that I didn't do anything and I wanted to make sure that he went straight to the hospital was because of the signs and things that he was exhibiting when we were.
Did he actually, do we know he did go?
He did, he did.
So we had him picked up and he went.
Yes, and that was the thing. That's why he ended up at NPC and then he was transferred from NPC to behavioral because of psychiatric needs. So he is actually in the hospital.
You guys usually dismiss it at that point, no?
Well, he was on a completely different case.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the thing, because when
Okay.
he was picked up on a different case, and I personally at the diversion that said that case wasn't important. I know he has another case, and it was actually right before this case that he has pending, before that court date, and I said, look, I know he has a separate case, but the one that you picked him up on is less important right now, because he's exhibiting these signs, you need to make sure
Okay.
he gets care.
I guess we'll just keep in the loop when we do.
Yeah, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to keep, depending on how long how long.
I mean, if
Yeah,
history is any indication here, maybe,
That's why I wanted to keep you updated, just to let you know, because I didn't think it was as bad, but because the Harrison called and said, no, it's
okay.
much higher.
I'm happy to do whatever you want to do. I mean,
Okay.
you just keep me in the loop. If
I
you
will.
need me to reinstate it, we can. Just,
Okay,
you tell me.
I will. I'll keep you updated. I didn't realize it was as bad as it is. So now that I know,
Okay.
I just wanted to update you and let you know.
Okay.
All right, thank you,
Thanks.
Judge. All right.
Hi, Brand. What's up? Drama.
Every day. This is for Balony. It's off docket, but I was here and
What's
I
your-
just got a BVR email, so I figured I'd approach.
Oh.
Balony?
Is it Valony or?
It's Balony. I made that mistake. It was corrected. So we were,
Did you get in trouble or what?
not too much, but
Okay.
I was definitely corrected. So we were in court last week, actually.
So he goes, but he fails to provide a sample.
Correct. He's in, he called me about it yesterday. He just got a plumbing job in,
Yeah, but he was over there. He's supposed to submit.
yes, correct.
I mean, ultimately, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
He just tested negative on the 11th.
so pick a day next week, early next week, he's got to come here and provide a test.
Would it be okay if he does quests and pays for it on his own?
Sure. Yeah. But we have to have it by, so Veronica, did you get the cost number on that? Okay, let me,
260-1867.
so he's gonna go get his own test done. It's got to be done by Tuesday, though. If not, another BVR, and then I'm telling him we'll be extremely upset with it.
Understood.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
for sure. Have fun and waive the signature.
Thanks.
Judge, can I ask a question?
Yeah, of course.
On the other counties, on the bonds, do you want to reduce them?
No, just leave it. It doesn't matter. They're getting PR bonds. You just leave it as is. If they have no bond, then we have to set one.
No, no, the only one who doesn't have a bond.
Is it felony or misdemeanor? Let me see more. I can, it's okay, don't worry. It is I don't know. It doesn't say here. I guess just set it at 3,000 then. It doesn't matter because he's getting a PR bond anyway. Yeah, okay, for sure. Sebastian. Hey, bud. Okay.
We're just approaching on bond conditions and bond.
Is he in jail or on bond?
Jail.
Is it,
It's the AFM.
he just got discharged from an impeding breath?
Right, so it was refiled.
I have someone else. I have someone else's listed.
Yeah, but I talked to the coordinator. It looks like they put the MAC, but he was on the algorithm, so they avoided the MAC.
Okay, all right. I just want to make sure that we're
Yeah,
okay.
so I'm-
So dude's got an immigration, no, he doesn't have an immigration detainer. What do you want to do?
So Judge, he is indigent. He has, and from what I gather, he doesn't live with the complainant, never lived with the complainant, he has a job, so we're just asking if we get a bond reduction,
What do you think?
We haven't been able to speak to her. We've got Thursday lined up for a bunch of our Spanish breaks. So,
Let's read this. So see what the match, because I don't understand. So it says PSA equals 3 of 2, no NVCAF, non-violent. I have no idea what that is. Defendant has prior criminal history for DWI 2010, 2019. Defendant has prior immigration activity. Allegations in this incident occurred at a Walmart parking lot. Complaining and defendant witness were D and R, and complainant witness broke up with defendant. Witness called police to report that he observed defendant assaulting and strangling complaining witness. Complaining witness informed Leo defendant followed her to Walmart. Defendant approached complaining witness's vehicle, began pulling on the door, hitting the window. Defendant was able to open the door, grab complaining witness, choked her and struck her on the face. Defendant got into his vehicle and drove defendant's vehicle into complaining witness's vehicle, causing damage. Lethality, intimate partner, domestic violence, extreme power and control, very high level of violence, attempted strangulation, refiled from impeding because not sufficient info to find breath impeded. 91 day no contact, Moab.
So Judge, again, he has there is no concern, really that he's going to be near her, obviously, as far as.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, and as far as bond conditions go, I've spoken to him, he's happy to, honor whatever needs to be done.
That's certainly going to happen, and we'll put something so that we know that he's not going anywhere near the victim. So we'll put a $500 foot restriction that he's not to. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay. Do you mind bringing out a Mr. Gonzalez, please, in back? Yeah. Look, can I talk to him while we're waiting? Counsel, do you want to talk to me while we're waiting?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just the last name of your client, please.
Rich.
Okay. How goes it?
We just received stipulations and acknowledgements today for the PTI program.
Okay.
We signed the head and notarized. We're waiting on the supervisory orders.
Have you paid the DA fee and gotten the interlock?
Not yet.
So you're not going to get the supervision order until you pay the DA fee, get the interlock, provide those two things to the state that they've been done, and at that point, they'll file the supervision order, and then you guys are into the PTI program. So normally, has LaRich done a TRAC? Great. So what we'll do is we usually give you around 2 weeks for you guys to get the interlock, pay the DA fee, and then provide that proof to the DAs. And then hopefully that should be enough time. I mean, the case is 200 days, but we'll give you 2 weeks to get everything done. So on the next return, make sure you give it to them a couple days prior to the next setting so that they have it, so that when we come back, they can just file the supervision order. Okay?
Thank you.
Please. Good morning. I don't know why you're looking back that way. Everything should be over here. I want you to understand something, and I want you to hear me loud, and I want you to hear me clear. I will protect my community at all costs. And if I find or I hear, or if I see that you either pick up a new case or put hands on someone, I will put my hands all over your bond, and I'm going to raise it. I'm going to go bananas on your bond. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, and you will get a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. I don't care what you got to do. I don't care what's at her house. I don't care that you got clothes. I don't care if she's got a duck of yours. You go anywhere near this person, I'm going to go crazy. Do you understand me?
Yes.
You are not to be in possession of any weapons, and I'm giving you a 500-foot radius. You're gonna get a monitor on your ankle, so if you go anywhere near, it's gonna ding, and then there goes the bond. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be randomly tested, so we know that you're not consuming as well. Your lawyer, your bond now is set at $5,000. Your lawyer is asking for me to give you a bond reduction. I don't know. What do you think, state?
Without speaking with her judge.
If we reduce it, what would be reasonable?
They're doing it for 2,000.
Sorry about that.
Okay, I'll do the 2,500. I was thinking around 3,000 anyways, but I'll do the 2,500. Mr. Gonzalez, understand, excuses mean absolutely nothing to me. There's nothing that you can justify in this life violating any of these conditions. You do, it's gonna go sideways for you real quick. There's a protective order that has been issued in this case, and you need to get to know it. If you violate this protective order, the state of Canada will file a violation of protective order. That is the capital murder of misdemeanors. You violate conditions on there, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond, zero bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat to protect my community. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for now, Deputy, if you don't mind, we need him to go to Veronica so he can sign the conditions and then we'll put it back. And do you know already if someone is gonna post his bond?
Yes, he should be posting bonds, so I got good numbers for him.
So Veronica, GPS prior to release, please. Okay, all right, bud.
All right, what's up? Right, thank you.
Judge, may I have clarification on Robinson, 2 cases in custody of your attorney? Just to make sure.
Hey.
Real quick on Mr. Balony, he said he can come in to 49 San Jacinto tomorrow and test.
Sure.
Would you like me to reset the case for tomorrow? Because next.
Yeah, that's probably the best way so that we know what happens. Yeah, if you just want to let her know.
Sure.
Judge, how are you, sir?
Hey, just last name of your client, please.
Tawico, TAHUIC. It's 24.
Thanks. Okay, you're close to, what do you want to do?
I'm trying to see if I can resolve it, Judge, in the states. We can go down to Rick Rank. I don't know if you would consider time served.
Is it a second?
No, it's first. Tawico, TAHUICO. I've got 16.
Is it a true first? Can you check?
He had no criminal history, Judge. Only problem is he didn't have a high BAC.
I don't care. I mean, you know,
My recommendation, he did 16 2-hour AA classes, not a victim impact.
I don't, you know, my issue is if we have continued contact and the proverbial slap on the wrist that continues that, no.
This is
We all make mistakes.
no criminal history.
Hope that it's enough of contact that he'll think before they act the
Yes,
next
sir. No,
step.
he's got no criminal history, you understand?
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
He's had the machine the whole time, no issues.
As long as it's a true first, I'm totally down.
It's great. No criminal history.
Yeah, we just never. Yeah, that's a lot.
No.
Yeah, okay, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
We'll do it then.
absolutely.
Go right now.
Oh, he does have a bond violation.
He does? Oh, it was for the giving machine later.
No, he didn't show up for a drug test.
Oh, that's right. We took the drug test. I think.
Regardless, you're good.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I want to run upstairs to the ones that. I'll wait for you.
Let's just get, who is it?
Fernando Garcia.
Have they written it up? Have they written it? It's all right. Just, if you want to bring them up,
They're typing it up right now.
are they dismissing the felony?
The felony is gonna be dismissed.
Yes, all they need to do is, once we do the plea, they'll send an email.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're gonna email now.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I think in the email is like that.
The week of TA, blue light snow.
No, wait. No, me no. I paid a tourist.
Was it cheap? Sick.
Because they did the way.
Are you still have about to pay that stuff? It is. But yeah, like when we were to make the offer, so. That's a little bit. Yeah.
Yes. So it's maybe do this one, it's just stuff that you have on sign to make it easier for you to do it right now.
Got it. Okay. Is all that in,
It's been ready for activities, but it's pretty crazy in there.
got it.
So hopefully that makes it easier.
Thanks. And I guess let me know when you're done, please, so we can get it done.
Yes,
I think we're almost done too.
we're just waiting for them to get coming.
So do you mind on the ones that I've unsigned? Can you delete them so I don't accidentally sign them again? Okay.
Oh, you want to use it? Well. Easy now. Okay, so I started. It's fine. It's not.
Hey, how are you? What's new?
No, we're not doing that yet.
Did you? Great. Wow. That is close. Good. Good job, though. Way to go above and beyond, though. Really. Not many people do. Hey, Carl.
Good.
Just saying, hey, did you?
Yeah, I was just saying hello. Yeah, just saying hello.
You were roasting something. Wrapped up.
Yeah.
You don't do your YouTube anymore?
I'm live streaming now.
Huh?
I live stream, but I don't show the front.
Yeah.
Because I think that there are a lot of, hurtful people out there. So I think a lot of people still like to watch. So I'm trying to kind of do a happy medium. So I live stream, but I don't show the core. Anyways, so you doing okay now? Yeah, I haven't seen you no more. Are you on a different floor or what?
Yeah, they moved me to 8.
Okay, I hope it's okay.
They moved me to 8, but then since they moved me to 8, I've been, all the cases I've been getting are on 11, so. Then the rhyme or reason.
Well,
That and they also started doing
They only give me a sign, so Mondays and Friday.
That's, yeah, yeah, just, yeah, I guess, yeah.
You know what they're trying to do, they're trying to.
Don't. I'm live streaming. Don't. Yeah, I'm live streaming, so don't.
I see your sign now.
Yeah, now I have a sign so you can,
Front camera's not activated.
correct. Right,
So.
right.
Not a real bitch. That's all
All right, my friend.
right.
Have fun.
Yes. Yeah, it's a collective. Yeah, and then.
What's nice to put it on for Jenny food? So. Okay, perfect. Yes. ¿Cuándo publicó? Oh, there it is.
Cuando se listo me pueden decir Habla un poquito más despacio.
What's up, dude?
I'm in trial, so.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that.
Yeah. It's a terrible affliction.
Where are you?
15.
She's great.
I don't think she likes me.
Oh, everybody loves you, Corey. Wait, I'm live streaming. How can I help you?
I have Miss Eakin on docket.
Okay. Everything okay? You just want to resend?
Yes, please.
Go for it.
Thanks.
Have fun. Good luck. What are you trying to do, the BI?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
A little different variation.
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Oh,
Are you ready? Let's roll. Hey, on this last, also there are two things. There's the order of appointment and the bail order. That's the last one. You know, Mr. Sir, your lawyer was asking me earlier if I were to accept this plea bargain agreement where you don't get jail time. This is probably very important to you. Because if you go to jail, there may be very dire consequences. We all make mistakes. We all do it.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to stop this. I'm so sorry. Oh
It's
my
okay.
God, I don't want to stop. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
When you continue to make mistakes that you endanger other people's lives, these sentences get so much longer. From now on, it's not a mistake anymore. It's a choice. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. You now know the consequence of driving while intoxicated. From now on, it is a minimum of 90 days in jail. So if you pick up another DWI like this, and you don't have to be stupid falling down drunk, when they see you ever get pulled over again and they see you prior to DWI, the mere smell of alcohol on your breath may be enough for them to put you in handcuffs. Do you understand? There are no mistakes. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. And the next bad choice may cost you at least 90 days of your life. And if you're not in this country with permission, you go to jail for that kind of time, you can almost be guaranteed an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to test for any behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, it will go on your record and it will be there for the rest of your life. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to this offense, or how do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm guilty.
Do you understand what we're doing right now?
Yes, sir.
What are we
¿Qué es
doing?
lo que estamos haciendo? Solo mira, no se mueva. ¿Cómo? En appeal.
No.
No, señor. It's a plea.
Of what?
¿De qué?
Don't help him. What are you doing right now?
¿Qué es lo que usted está haciendo en este momento, señor?
Una apelación.
An appeal.
No.
No, señor.
You are pleading guilty to a DWI. Do you understand?
¿Usted entiende?
Sí, sí.
What did I just say?
¿Qué es lo que yo le acabo de decir a usted?
Que no puedo manejar ebrio.
That I cannot drive drunk.
No. What are you doing here right now?
I'm just guilty.
What are we doing? ¿Qué estamos haciendo en este momento?
I don't know how to tell you.
You need to know,
Usted tiene que saberlo.
because this will affect you for the rest of your life.
Hasta su vida.
What are you doing right
¿Qué
now?
está haciendo usted ahora mismo?
No sé cómo decir.
I just don't know how to tell you.
You were pleading guilty to a DWI.
Soy manipulador. Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
¿Qué es lo que usted está haciendo de nuevo? La misma que el juez, las mismas palabras del juez.
Quiero que tú me dices qué estás haciendo ahora, para que tú entiendas, Méndez.
No puedo manejar ahí, bro.
Well,
¿Qué estás haciendo en este momento?
Una aclaración.
Plea.
Right. ¿De qué?
¿De qué son?
No seguir bebiendo.
To not drink again.
What is the consequence of what is happening now?
Del alcohol.
Perdón?
Del alcohol. No se puede seguir manejando.
Well, alcohol, that I shouldn't continue driving.
90 days in jail, minimum from now on. What is the consequence of what is happening now?
La consecuencia es que no puedo manejar.
The consequence is that I shouldn't drive drunk.
No.
Nothing, no.
If you pick up another DWI, what is the minimum punishment?
Castigo mínimo que le impondría.
No, es que ya no puedo.
Well, I just can't do this anymore.
Ya no puedo hacer.
I can't continue drinking.
Any more días entonces, es repetido 6 veces.
¿Cuántas veces te dije qué va a pasar?
90 días.
90 days.
Mínimo. ¿Entiendes? ¿Cuántos días puedes tener el mínimo en el futuro? Si pasa de nuevo.
No sé cuándo.
I don't know how much.
Repetido 6 veces. 90 días.
90 days.
90 días.
No es difícil. 90 días.
If you cannot understand the little things that we are doing now, don't drive.
No money. Said don't drive much. No money.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to this agreement. I'm going to suspend your ability to drive for 90 days. Do not drive. What did I just say?
¿Qué es lo que le acabo yo de decir a usted?
Wonderful.
I drive for 90 days.
Very good.
Muy bien.
All I want you to understand is the consequence if you pick up another DWI.
Tiene otro caso.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte a usted, señor. Pase.
Thank you.
The money was,
Don't care about the money.
thank you, Judge.
I care about learning.
For sure. I'm gonna get out there with them right now.
Thank you for your patience.
Your Honor, may we approach?
Yes. Hey.
I am here on this report. Custody is abusive opinion.
Okay.
36.
Anything in particular you'd like?
Yes, Judge, my client would like to request a bond be set on his fugitive case. I informed him that we would have 14 days to report to the demanding jurisdiction, which is in
Colorado.
Yep, which is in Colorado. He said that his plan to get there would be to go with his girlfriend, have his girlfriend drive to Colorado. He's also asking, he doesn't have a passport, he's asking if he's gonna be willing to be put on an ankle monitor, just to show that he's still, that he's going to do this and take care of this warrant. He was employed before he got picked up here. He's got, way more ties to Houston. He's lived in Houston his whole life. He only has that case pending out there. He was employed before he picks up, before he got picked up, he was working at a barber shop.
What say you, great state of Texas?
Judge, I mean, he's wanted for robbery. I am seeing some other criminal history, charges. What's that? Theft, theft out of Austin. And I'm seeing possession of marijuana, another prohibited weapon, felony, and evading arrest in a vehicle, Your Honor.
Is all this recent?
DPW judge, it's from 2023 and on, Your Honor. So yeah, I've asked for my bond.
He's pretty young too. He's born
He's
in,
24.
and how many priors does he have?
But I can't tell what's a conviction or not. I can see that he's charged. Yes.
How many do you got? She get out?
She did.
Okay, good. Regardless, I'm gonna need it. Okay, let me bring him out and then we'll talk. Guys, do you mind bringing out Ford, please?
Your Honor, do you want to see the record real quick?
Yeah, and then let me, what you got?
Raymond and PC and
Okay.
You can do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Real quick. Come on.
I am going.
Is this a true first?
Yeah.
You've ever, true first?
Check.
Please. Mr. Garcia, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 180 days in jail to be probated for 12 months. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there forever. From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is a final conviction today and forever. As far as I understand the agreement, they're going to dismiss the felony in conjunction with this as a result of this plea. I'm going to tell you now, there's not many times in life that they're going to entertain this type of plea bargain where they're going to dismiss a felony in lieu of a plea on a misdemeanor. You understand? So you're very lucky. So it's a traverse?
It is, Judge.
For you, as part of this probation agreement, it is, you must do a DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You must do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what are the conditions, if any, that you need. You must follow these conditions. No drugs, no alcohol. You must maintain a guardian interlock. No breath test refusal. If you're pulled over, an officer asks you to submit a breath test while you're on this probation, you must do it. If you fail to follow these conditions, we will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. If you do, you're looking at 180 days in jail. Do you understand? You must also perform 24 hours of community service. So you say it is a true first.
It is, Judge, yes.
License?
It's eligible.
All right. You may continue to drive only if you have the interlock. You must also maintain liability insurance. If you do not have car insurance in your name, do not drive. That is also a condition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow this agreement and sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. You can
Thank
wait.
you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Oakville.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Ford. Healy, ready?
But I was going to actually discuss some of the additional history, but I really want to do that on live stream, so it's something that we get our approaching chambers.
Yeah, we'll do that, but your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know, Mr. Ford. I know that you're gonna tell me it's little gumdrops and rainbows, it's not a big deal, this and that, but you know, I have enough trouble sleeping as it is, and I don't want more blood on the streets, and I certainly don't want it to be because of me, you know? I know that you're gonna tell me all this and that but who you are is really reflected on paper, because that really tells me who you are. Is this the first time that you've been arrested for something? Have you been arrested before? How many times have you been arrested? When is the last time you've been arrested? What kind of charges are they? Are they charges that fleeing and eluding? Are you trying to run from the police? Are you picking up other aggravated cases? These really tell me who you are. So everything you tell me, I know you're going to tell me what I want to hear, but paper really tells me who you are. So your lawyer's asking me to set you a bond. What say you?
Judge, I would like to discuss in chambers some of this.
Well, let's not talk about the juvenile stuff, if any, but as far as grown-up stuff,
Judge, I would ask for wouldn't want to give a number, I'd ask for a home bond based on his history. So.
how much history does he have?
So, well, Judge, some of it I would not want to discuss on live stream. I would only want to discuss it with counsel and
Okay.
yourself.
This is even though it's adult?
Well, the adult, Your Honor, is obviously there's the evading and the other possession of marijuana and that in DCW, Your Honor.
So that's
Those
four,
are- I believe there were 6, Your Honor.
6. And how old is Mr. Ford?
So as an adult, he has possession of marijuana, that does look like it was dismissed. He had DCW, that appears to be a conviction out of Georgetown. He has the evading arrest.
Georgetown,
Texas judge.
Texas.
Has the evading arrest, Your Honor. It looks like a prohibited weapon, perhaps out of that charge. It is not clear to me what that resulted in. For possession of marijuana from 2025. And then a theft from 2025, Your Honor, out of Austin. That also doesn't have disposition information yet.
So that's 6
Which not,
in a matter of,
I think that's from 2022, Your Honor.
I'm not going to set you a bond, man. It's way too much drama. I'm sorry. And I'm not even discounting the other stuff, but since you've been an adult, which is not too long, you've racked up at least 6 or 7 cases. And now you got a robbery from another jurisdiction? No, sir. I just don't, you scare me, Mr. Ford. And I'm sorry. I'm not gonna, I can't. Has he waived already?
He knows not, Your Honor. We have a waiver ready if you would like.
So the deal is this. You can choose to fight extradition or you can waive extradition. If you fight it just for a couple reasons. You know, it's not me, it's identity, things of this nature. If you don't want to sign, you don't have to, but they will get a governor's warrant from Colorado that could take up to 90 days. And at that point, once they do get the governor's warrant, they can force you to go back to Colorado and wait for them to come pick you up. Your other option is to waive extradition. If you waive it, we give Colorado 14 days to come pick you up. If they don't pick you up within that time, Harris County releases you. Yeah, I don't want you to make a decision now. I'm going to let you talk to your lawyer and then you figure out what you want to do. So you can waive or refuse. If you refuse at that point, the state will seek a governor's warrant, which will take up to 90 days. And at that point, okay? Okay, thanks. Thanks. Okay, counsel, just the last name of your client.
Hudson.
Hudson. Okay, tell me what you would like.
Yes, Your Honor. So I would like to get bonds on this, two misdemeanor cases.
He does have bonds.
Uh,
So
the bonds
he-
to that, sorry, Judge, I've been running around in felony.
It's okay. So he, in April of 24, he picks up a terroristic threat. August of last year, he picks up a sexual assault. And now, I'm guessing he was on bond for all those. Now he's picked up an assault.
Thank you. Yes,
Right.
Judge.
The bond on the assault is set at 10. The terroristic threat is set at 5. I'm not going to give him a PR.
I wasn't gonna ask for a PR bond, but Judge, he has let me know that he does work at Chuck E. Cheese. He does.
Oh, I used to
have-
work at Chuck E. Cheese too.
I mean, not Chuck E. Cheese, Cheesecake Factory. I don't know.
Oh,
why I said
big difference.
Big difference.
I was Chucky. I
Where you
put the
were-
suit on, man. And
That's
that,
crazy.
it stunk so bad. Oh my goodness. It was awful. But I had a lot of fun. Anyway,
But he does work at Cheesecake Factory. He does have a high school diploma from Madison. He went to Lamar and Madison. He also let me know that he did 3 years at Southern University, but he did drop out because his housing was not still paid for at the time. The biggest thing is he let me know that he does have a 7 and 9-year-old that he does share custody with. He is the main parent during the school week because baby moms may work and they are not able to take kids to and from school and get them in and out of school. Right now, they're struggling with that. I do believe, I do see that on neither of my cases, the terroristic threat or the AFM, there's no RIPS. He has let me know that terroristic threat is one of the mothers of his children. He let me know that he has an affidavit already where he believes that she is still on board with not wanting to go forward with that case. And so he said he had already gotten an affidavit from her on that one. So I was going to pursue that or likely just have an investigator get a new one and a fresh one. So that way it's not some year-old outdated affidavit, Judge. But the biggest thing is he does have a job, he does work. I don't think he's a threat to society, Judge. I do understand it looks like it's been a rough year, but I think once the facts come out, they'll be explainable. But I just don't think he's a threat. I don't see any large amount of history or anything like that to suggest that he's just, a career criminal or anything. He seems very well educated. He's very well spoken, a nice young man. So, Your Honor, I would ask for $2,000 bonds, Judge, if we needed to put him on GPS or.
let me read this to you. Defendant and complaining witness share 2 kids. 12/10/23, complaining witness said defendant pushed her in the face and told her he's coming back in 30 minutes to kill her. Says he hit her in the face. In the past, she didn't make a report. 3/14/24, 20-year-old female met friends, became intoxicated, woke up naked next to the complaining witness in room. Defendant commented about not them having engaged in sexual activity. DNA retrieved. Complaining witness matches. 3/9/26, AFM dating for a year, living together 4 months. Defendant at a bar. Defendant wanted to leave. Complaining witness did not. Defendant followed complaining witness and punched her in the face with a fist. Defendant continues to engage in allegedly violent conduct or conduct threatening violence against women that result in his arrest. No. He is a danger and.
And I understand, but I will say these are all allegations, Judge, not
And-
saying it's true.
Great, we'll have a trial, but he's one after the other, and they're all violent cases. Sorry, and he hasn't even made bond on the felony case either yet, and that's a high bond, so he's,
Yes, sir.
sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, of course. Great. Hey,
Yes, can we briefly approach you? We just need some clarification. This is on Alvarez. He's
Okay.
Another fugitive case. Yeah, Carlos Aguilar Alvarez.
so
Was there another attorney that came?
Yes,
Okay, and he's also working on the fugitive case?
yes.
Okay.
So did you guys get the spin frames we can attach them
We did get the same.
for, Hernandez, the lawyer Hernandez?
Yeah.
He has not filed an attorney, but I'm gonna ask him to file and
Okay.
either,
I just wanted some clarification. on
yes,
that. I was
you've been
given
subbed out of
as
that.
well. Okay,
Yes.
just maybe just wanted to confirm that.
Yeah, he,
But he'll be filing, right? We just needed.
yes, I think I asked him to, didn't I? I don't remember.
I think so, Judge. And that's all we talked about. I was like, I told him, I was like, you need to sign on,
Yeah.
so.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
okay. I think that's it.
Yes, I'll just sign it. Oh,
Yeah, if he signs it, yeah.
Yeah, let me. Thank you.
Do you want to go through the list? So on bottom of page 3, we're saying that for next Thursday.
Yes.
Okay. Let's. Do you have anyone on top of page 14?
We're gonna do that check in.
Okay, so 5,002. What about bottom of page 15?
The defendant did check in, I believe they're dismissing that case.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. What about top of page 22? Are they going to be, are they going to dismiss that? Hmm?
It's in the.
Oh, it's in, okay, got it. Is that it? Do you have anyone else that we missed? Yeah, okay, I think we're done then.
We have.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Hey.
I'm doing the paperwork for Mr. Daniel Bolton, and then we'll get him out of here.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
That will be the last.
is it in jail?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
It'll be at the time, sir.
Got it.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess if you guys want to,
Thank you for any.
Wow.
I know, right? Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, my neck, no, I think
Yeah, hey.